Good morning. Today is Friday, April 5th, 2024. I'm here at Lamb's Yacht Center, and this is going to be an after video of Water's Edge. There are no stern thrusters or bow thrusters on this vessel, so we're going to go ahead and just get an after video of the cleaning. Another note before we finish, the paint on the hydraulic swim platform is bubbling. There is a lot of bubbling on it. I'll try and get another in-depth, detailed look on it, and then we're going to finish the whole cleaning video.